Choosing the right foundation is the key to a flawless look. It's the first step in any makeup routine, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. With so many shades and formulas available, it can feel overwhelming, but finding your perfect match is worth the effort. The perfect shade should blend seamlessly, enhancing your natural skin, not masking it. Foundation isn't about covering up who you are, but about letting your unique beauty shine through. When you find the right formula and tone, your skin looks healthy, radiant, and effortlessly beautiful. When your foundation matches, it disappears, creating a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. It evens out your complexion, minimizes imperfections, and gives you a boost of confidence that lasts all day. Many struggle with finding their ideal shade, but it's a skill anyone can learn. It takes patience, a bit of trial and error, and a willingness to experiment with different undertones and finishes. The goal isn't to hide, but to highlight your best features and boost your confidence. Foundation should feel comfortable and look natural, so you can face the world feeling your best. Wearing the wrong shade can be distracting, but the right one lets your true self shine. It's about finding harmony between your skin and your makeup, so you look and feel like the best version of yourself. Today, there are more options than ever, but the basics of finding your match remain the same. Understanding your skin's undertone, testing shades in natural light, and being open to trying new products are all part of the process. By learning to assess your skin and test products properly, you'll always look your best. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek advice from professionals. They can guide you toward your ideal shade and formula. This is about more than makeup. It's about feeling good in your own skin. When you find the right foundation, you're not just enhancing your appearance, you're embracing your individuality and celebrating your confidence. Let's start your journey to flawless confidence and discover how the right foundation can help you look and feel amazing every single day. Before you even think about choosing a foundation, it's essential to truly understand your skin, your unique canvas. This means getting to know both your skin's undertone and its type, as these factors will guide every makeup decision you make. Undertones are the subtle hues beneath your skin's surface. They can be cool, warm, or neutral. To find yours, look at the veins on your wrist in natural daylight. This simple trick can reveal a lot. If your veins appear blue or purple, you likely have cool undertones. Green veins suggest warm undertones, while a mix of both points to a neutral undertone. Also, pay attention to how your skin reacts to sunlight. If you burn easily, you may have cool undertones. If you tan, you're probably warm. This observation adds another layer to your understanding. Next, identify your skin type. Is your skin oily and shiny, dry and flaky, a mix of both, or generally balanced and normal? Each type has its own needs. Oily skin tends to benefit from matte formulas that help control shine and keep your look fresh throughout the day. If your skin is dry, reach for hydrating foundations that add moisture and create a healthy, radiant glow. Combination skin, which has both oily and dry areas, does best with satin finishes that balance both needs. When you know your skin, you can choose products that feel comfortable and look natural, enhancing your confidence every day. Take a good look at your bare skin in natural light, as this is the best way to see its true color and texture. Understanding your unique skin is the first and most important step to building a beauty routine that truly works for you, not against you. This knowledge is your blueprint for beauty, empowering you to make choices that highlight your natural features and help you feel your best every single day. Now let's find your perfect foundation match. Choosing the right foundation can feel overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you'll discover the shade that truly enhances your natural beauty. It's not just about color, it's about how the foundation works with your unique skin tone and undertone. Never test on your hand. Always use your jawline, blending down to your neck. The skin on your jawline is closest to your face's true color, and blending down helps avoid any harsh lines. Pick 3 shades, one you think matches, one lighter, and one darker. This gives you options and helps you see which shade truly disappears into your skin. Apply stripes on your jawline and let them sit for a minute or two. This allows the foundation to settle and oxidize, revealing its true color. Step into natural light. Store lighting can be deceiving and often changes how shades appear. Natural daylight is the best way to see if the foundation really matches your skin. The shade that disappears into your skin is your winner. It should look invisible, as if you're not wearing any foundation at all. Don't rush. Take samples home if possible, and wear them for a day. Notice how the foundation looks in different lighting and how it feels on your skin over time. Foundation should blend seamlessly, not sit on top of your skin. It should feel comfortable and look natural, enhancing your complexion rather than masking it. Think of it like trying on clothes. Fit matters. The right foundation should feel like a second skin, not a mask. Be patient and thorough for the best results. Take your time to test, compare, and observe before making your final choice. The right match will boost your confidence every time you wear it, making you feel comfortable and radiant in your own skin. Careful testing leads to a choice you'll love, ensuring your foundation looks flawless and feels amazing all day long. Once you've found your match, test it on your whole face. Start with a small amount, focusing on the center and blending outward. Use a sponge, brush, or fingertips, whatever feels best. Check in natural light for a seamless transition from face to neck. Your skin should look even and fresh, not masked. A great foundation feels light and comfortable all day. This final check ensures your foundation truly works for you. Even the perfect shade can go wrong with poor application. Always prep your skin, cleanse and moisturize before foundation. Use a primer if you want a smoother finish. Match your formula to your skin type for best results. Less is more. Apply only where needed, not all over. Use concealer for blemishes, not extra foundation. Blend carefully, especially at the edges of your face. Don't rush. Take time to avoid streaks or lines. Avoid heavy powder. Just a light dusting to set. The right technique keeps your look natural and radiant. Good habits make all the difference. Bought the wrong shade? Don't worry, there are fixes. Too dark? Mix with moisturizer or lighter concealer. Too light? Add bronzer and blush to bring warmth back. Wrong undertone? Use color-correcting drops to adjust. These tricks help you use what you have, but nothing beats a true match. Remember, it's better to find what's right than to constantly correct. Temporary fixes are fine, but aim for a foundation that feels made for you. The right match is worth the effort. There's power in starting fresh. Don't feel obligated to use a foundation that doesn't suit you. Investing in your perfect match is self-care and confidence. Learning what doesn't work is as important as finding what does. The journey to your ideal foundation is one of self-discovery. Once you find it, your routine becomes effortless and your confidence soars. Makeup should be fun and empowering, not stressful. You deserve a foundation and a life that fits you perfectly.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.